the hell is 10 and 2? Oh, you talking about the direction that you put your hands in?
This is 2 o'clock. This is 10. So it's like
I ain't gonna lie, I put my hands on my nipples.
watch it, y'all sub to Life with You _
Y'all folks Life with You. This is gonna be passenger view and the first Infinity Charger.
Oh my god.
Alright, y'all. Through Atlanta.
No, you can't do Infinity, bro.
I ain't gonna do you like that. Okay, this is gonna be passenger view, POV. What am I saying? Hey, y'all just take this ride with me. We just gonna be riding through this beautiful city of Atlanta.
Hello. That nigga recording.
We just gonna be riding through this beautiful city of, like, man, y'all look at how it look today.
Besides the traffic, well, we ain't have to wait on no traffic because I got I paid my own highway. So like the highway I pave is only for me, so it's never no traffic.
Where you get that from? Leo Jewelry.
Huh?
You kind of shining. Where you get that
Oh,
from?
these like 100K
100K?
earrings. So like this was 100K, this was 100K.
Yeah, type shit. They only sell you one earring at a time?
Yeah.
Type shit.
Cause they gotta go find the diamond in the ground.
Yeah, they gotta go mine it first.
Yeah.
Right.
So they found this one and they were like, it's gonna be a wait for the other one because we gotta find it. So.
How long it took you to get the other earring?
Like 6-7 months.
6-7 months.
What? Bro, what are you talking about?
So 200K for some earrings, but I'm driving the V6. God damn, that ass fat. And I just read it like, plus it's a monkey mobile, so.
Monkey mobile, basketball people car, 300 credit score, in debt. Yay. and that's what y'all say every single time. Well. I post a video. That's the first thing y'all say. Oh my God. It's because you're in the biggest boat in the world.
You can't go around the turn faster than me. Touching them G's, you hear me?
So apparently we're on the Crew Motor Fest on Forza Motorsport Midnight Club.
That was actually a short turn.
It was a very sharp turn, and you went up.
I just want to do that because he can't do it, and he tried to pass me like I wasn't doing nothing.
Okay.
Look at him.
Look, he trying to prove a point.
I know he floored me, and he had a Toyota Camry. Look at him. Intimidation.
Ride both of them. You in a Charger.
I feel like bullying. What's it called? That's a Rolls Royce.
Is it?
It's a Wraith.
It's a river band. Whatever the fuck they say. I don't know what they say. Oh, you talking about that?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't even see.
You didn't see
I ain't gonna lie, I didn't see that. I was looking at that. I was looking at whatever that is. I didn't see that. I'm not really a fan of Rolls Royces, but that one was actually kind of clean. Me personally.
What is wrong with this dude, bro?
What? He back? Look at him, y'all.
Where is he going?
Where you finna go? There's a car right here. Where you finna go? What's wrong with people?
Bro, I swear.
What's wrong with people?
I swear if I had a normal looking car, like folks wouldn't be trying to do that. Like he just got over there, got behind the truck for no reason.
Oh yeah, I need to tell y'all, my boy, we trying to get him a Riz video, right? But he can't get no numbers without the car. So we gotta find somewhere that he can like drive the car around and he can like talk to females while he inside of the car type shit.
Like I said, no, the car just helped. Like when they see the car, it's just like, you feel me? Like they gon', you feel me?
Yeah,
they just see me.
I feel you.
I might be in like a Toyota or something, so they ain't really gonna take me serious. But when you pull up on them in a boat, it's just like,
I ain't gonna lie. Dude try to pull up with me in the boat. I ain't going. Now, if he got a Mustang, we got a totally different conversation, bro. He got a Mustang.
somebody pull up me in a Hellcat.
Totally different conversation. You pull up me.
Why about the Hellcat? Say get in.
If somebody, bro, Chad, y'all tell me, if somebody pull up in a Hellcat,
Bro, somebody pull up on me in a Hellcat.
Bro, they're not. You finna give them a Hellcat because you finna run into the back of their ass. What I'm trying to say is, I would be more impressed with somebody pulling up on me in a Shelby than I would in a Hellcat.
Hellcat costs more though.
A Shelby costs more. It depends. If we talking about a red eye, then okay. But a Shelby, that's not comparable. You kill me with this shit. That's not comparable. A Shelby and a Demon is not comparable.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Bro,
No, it's not.
A Shelby is the fastest Ford.
Yes, bro, but still, they haven't. If we want to compare anything to a Demon 170, it's gonna have to be a cold red, and that ain't even fucking street legal.
Exactly, because Fords suck.
All right, y'all hear this man, bro?
The Dodge,
he stay trying to compare. He like to compare apples and oranges.
The Dodge Demon 170 is street legal. They got drivers and everything. Why they couldn't make the Shelby?
It's too fast.
I know why. Cause they scared.
It's too fast.
They scared of the Demon 170.
Bro, that shit got 1,300 pounds of torque, bro. 1,300 pounds, bro. I want 1,300 pounds, bro. Come on.
Damn.
You almost seen one? But nah, bro.
Woo! Hey, we swerving that thing today. Bro, I'm trying to tell you, bro. That's comparable, bro.
No, you cannot.
All right, so
You cannot compare a Demon to Shelby.
a GT500 and a jailbreak. Jailbreak at 807. It's a red eye. Not even a
Honestly, I'm gonna have to say yeah, you can do that. But I don't know. I feel like Ford needs to make another trim.
a faster car.
Okay, I'm just saying Dodge make the same fucking car over and over and over and over and over.
No, they make the fastest car over and over and over.
Okay. Ford literally has the 5.0, the GC350, and the 500, and that's it.
But Dodge got more.
As far as like muscle cars, y'all got hella different shit, so you can't really.
No, we don't.
Yes, y'all do.
V6, RT, Scat Pack, Hellcat Red Eye.
In the
Yeah, the
Demon.
jailbreak.
Okay, but Dodge don't have all of that. That's what I'm saying. You only got like 3 options. You
Y'all
got
need to get some more trims.
you got like I said, you got the 50, the 350, and the 500. And I forgot about the Mach 1 or whatever. But still, that shit still got a 50 engine. They need. I keep saying this though. They need to make a Ford 2-door that got like a big ass engine in it, like a 7.0 or some shit like that, or a 6.5 or some shit. If they did that, I'm telling you, it's gonna eat Dodge up. But they know that they gonna eat y'all up, so they don't even want to do that. And then fuck y'all, cause y'all discontinued, so nobody even cares.
Bro, they don't.
Nobody even cares.
They don't even have it. They can't.
Yo, you can't even buy. Y'all not even producing no more, bro. Fuck
If
y'all.
they make a car, they gotta do all the extra stuff to where it's
All of what extra stuff?
Dodge, they gotta do nothing but put it on E85 and it's running.
Bro, that shit got alcohol in it and shit, man.
Boy, is this alcohol? Acting like a kid is alcohol.
But it's street legal. Damn!
Oh my.
They gotta put Vaseline in it on the
You talking about
cylinders.
Vaseline?
They gotta put.
I ain't gonna lie, I thought that was a Chevy SS.
They gotta put all kind of stuff.
Bro, I be tripping.
They gotta put all kind of stuff on their cars. Then it ain't street legal.
I'm gonna let y'all listen to this argument, but I just don't feel like you can compare a GT500 to a Demon. Like, just like the same way that a ZL1 would compare to a Demon. It's literally only a Hellcat, GT500, ZL1. That's it. Anything above that, no. Sorry. That's like only a 5.0 can compare to a Scat Pack. Period.
No, but you said bro got walked by a 5.0 and it was in the red eye.
That's my point though. You don't see
But think about it though. He was stopped. The red eye was completely.
supercharger, bruh.
Bruh.
They got a whole
Nigga
super.
had a 10-speed
Bruh.
headers, E85, a tune. He had to do all that, and then he didn't even leave the Charger. Then on top of that, it was a wide body, so it's not aerodynamic at all.
So you want to bring weight into
It's
it?
the heaviest, and it's a sedan, bro. He could have had kids in the back.
So you think if he had a Challenger, he would have lost?
If he had a Challenger, I mean,
It would have been the same shit. He still was gonna lose. Headers. This is my point. If I spend over $100,000 on a car, and all I gotta do is buy a $30,000 car and put headers on it and E85 and a tune, you ass. That's what I'm trying to say. That's what I'm trying to say, bro. If somebody bought a GT500, right? It's gonna take, you gonna have to do a lot to a 5.7 in order for it to beat that GT500.
Check this out.
A lot.
Put the red on headers and E85 in the tune and see who wins.
He got a 5.0. Of course he gonna fucking win. He got a supercharger. He got more shit done.
I put a 5.7 with
Against
E85
what?
headers in the tune.
Against a GT500?
Against a 5.0 with E85 headers in the tune.
No, bruh. No.
What you mean? It's a 5.7. bro.
Right, it's a 5.7 against a 5.0. Yes, the nigga's gonna win,
Bro,
bruh.
it comes with
No.
Bro, it comes with 375.
This here you go. You comparing apples and oranges and shit. And strawberries and
It's a
pears and shit.
sedan.
And
Small.
that really don't even make that much of a difference. That's why he got a bigger engine, because he's bigger.
Man, if Ford put a Hellcat engine in the Mustang, it's gonna be the fastest thing, y'all.
I mean, y'all got big ass engines. If you put a 6.2 in that small ass car, yeah, you right. That's the point, bro.
Frustrated.
I'm gonna let y'all decide who's going in that argument or not. But at the end of the day, it's American muscle over everybody.
Yeah, like,
So we really on the
all
same
the
team.
Teslas.
Yeah, like we like that bullshit. That shit like somebody's shoulder. I would never buy that.